Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? So, grass is currently going in this kind of pattern, as you can see, like the upwards trending triangle, however you want to call it. But I mean, look, grass since its launch, it had an amazing run around 480, around 500%, and just amazing, just be going up and up and up and up. And now he's kind of doing this kind of pattern, which you guys say, oh, bull flag, whatever flag you want to call it. But let's look at how the market is, right? So let's go to 1 hour. And currently we see that the price has reached an all-time high, right? It almost went to 4, which is the whole point, a very psychological strong point. But essentially we got a big rejection 2 times. We're trying to went up, we got a rejected, and then we went down, right? So right now we did a higher low. Okay, so if you don't know what a higher low is, essentially we got the price over here, and then the next high was lower. All right, and then here we are making higher highs, right? So essentially if I put this like this, right, this is one over here, and then we get a higher high, and then we get another high over here, and of course another high over here. So essentially we are still in bullish scenario. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this for the reference. So that's why you kind of draw the upwards trending and downwards trending line. It kind of gives you the same path, just a different visualization towards the parent. So right now I can just see it's making this triangle, and the price could essentially, it got rejected over here, it could essentially went down to this point, and we would still be bullish. So this is kind of the point where we need to check if the price is gonna break that and make a structural break. But essentially 2 hours RSI cooled off, which is very nice for the price. I mean, we had a 500% surge, so I think, yeah, look at this, absolutely good. This is really good for the price. It needs to cool off if it wants to go higher. We cannot just go high, because then the price will just shoot down. So this is perfect. Let's check daily. Yeah, you see we're still overbought on 1 hour chart. And yeah, this is, it's not concerning, but essentially a cool off would be appreciated for this price. And yeah, it just overbought, simple as that. When the price is overbought, it usually goes down a little bit. So maybe in a few days it can kind of cool off, go to like 50 mark, and then we can start seeing more upwards potential. I know we're good on 4 hours and 1 hours, but still, we want to get kind of to this zone, and then we can expect another push to the upside. But let's go to lower time frames and let's see where we are. Right, so okay, we're gonna draw some liquidity boxes, because we need to know where the price is gonna essentially be and go next. So we're just gonna delete the whole points over here and half points, so we have a free chart over here. We're gonna leave the 2 point and the 4, because these are the whole points, which are, as I said in the previous videos, it's a very good and strong psychological point for the price to be. So yeah, let's see. So we're just gonna delete this, we don't need this anymore. Alrighty, let's put, alright, so 1 is going to be right over here. Okay, so this for now is going to be a red zone, which is going to be a sell zone. Okay, and this is where the price currently went. Of course we went here, and this is a higher low, so this would be the next point that the price essentially, if it breaks out, we're gonna put this over here. But we cannot, I mean, we don't have to put it right now. The next point of control would essentially be, let's check, let's go to 15 minutes, so we have more. Yeah, it would be, this would be the zone, so this would be the buy zone right over here. We're gonna put it like this, and we're gonna put it as a green zone. Alrighty, so this is the next buy zone. If essentially price wants to come down, it would probably go to around here, maybe chop around, because as you can see previously, here the price got supported, here the price goes support, and then it got resisted and back support, and then resisted, and then again support, and then now it's a support. And I think this is a very strong support for grass. We can go to lower points. I think we can put another one right here, which is the lows. So this is gonna be usually where the price goes to grab a liquidity grab. As you can see right here, we push down, grab liquidity, and then reverse price back up. Almost same here. If we go to 1 hour chart, you're gonna see like a week. Yeah, you see 2 weeks, right? So this is a strong support for closed wicks, and this is gonna the zone for liquidity grabs. But essentially, if we go a little bit more down, yeah, let's go to 30 minutes. That's gonna be more fair. If we go to 30 minutes, then essentially we could have another right around here. So this would be the next buy zone, and this would essentially be the next buy zone, which would be really, really strong as you can see right here. And of course you can put one over here as well if you want to be precise. You could essentially put one over here, put this a little bit lower. So these are essentially the buy zones if the price potentially goes down. But what I would, very much worry about on the grass is grass hit higher low, which means we're going to be trading in this triangle for a long time. And this is going to be a huge break. If this actually breaks out, then, we actually get, break down now. We get a structure break over here on 30 minutes. And then we actually go here and we kind of, consolidate it here. Maybe we drop down and then kind of essentially push out. This would be really good for grass because, as I said, on daily, we would kind of drop the RSI down below the 70 point and we would still get, our normal buy zone. So yeah, right now you see a big rejection over there. So yeah, personally, if we want to play probabilities right now, I would say the price is going to go down and probably the max zones are going to be one zone right here, second zone, third zone. And if we essentially, break this, we are going to go to yellow zone, which in this case is going to be co-sanctioned with the liquidity over here. So that's going to be a strong point for grass as well. And we're going to put one more over here. So these are gonna all the zones that you need to know for the grass. If the grass goes down, these are going to be the points to kind of check for. So right here, I'm going to put it like this. So these are the zones, these are the buy zones. This is where the price is going to go. So essentially, if the price goes below here, this one turns red because it's going to be resistance, right? For now, it's still support. And essentially, these are going to be support and resistances for the next points. Essentially, as I said, this is going to be the major point where the price is probably going to be attracted. If all of these breaks, essentially, we're going to go down. And what we can still do, I think we can put another line over here, which this could be essentially like a right. Yeah, I mean, doesn't matter. We don't need it. This. Yeah, so this is it. We know the price is going down. Currently in a 50-minute time frame, we are going down. So we are trading in bearish scenario, but overall, like in a long term, throughout the whole market, we are trending up. So we are still in bullish scenario. As I said, the price needs to cool off before it goes up. Potentially, I want to see the price come down to these zones, grab liquidity as well. Maybe we get a breakdown. And if we essentially get a break towards here, I think this would be a very good zone to buy grass. I know this could take, days and days and days. 18 hours. Actually, no, this could actually be really fast. Oh, my bad. Yeah, so we could essentially go here in like a day or so. And then, from there, we could just, kind of maybe make a lower low and then go high. So, yeah, I would expect the price to go down. These are the zones. And yeah, that's about it. By the way, I have a Discord channel. If you guys want to check it out, it's free. It's gonna be linked down below. Go check it out. I'm giving you like daily analysis on markets, on tokens. So yeah, we can, create a community together. But yeah, I think that's going to be it. You got the grass points over here and yeah, safe trading and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.